Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my house. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Linda. I'm 45 years old and I live in a small house in the city. It's not very big, but I love it because it feels like home. I have lived in this house for 10 years. And I'm very happy here. My house has 4 rooms and each one is special to me. First, I'll tell you about the kitchen. The kitchen is very important in my house. I spend a lot of time cooking and eating with my family. It is not very big, but it's comfortable. I have a stove, a fridge, and a dishwasher. The kitchen is white and the walls are painted light blue. There is a small window above the sink, and I love looking outside when I'm doing the dishes. I also have a big table in the middle of the kitchen where my family eats together. I cook dinner almost every night. I like making pasta, soups, and salads. My children like to help me with simple things like setting the table or stirring the soup. We always have fun in the kitchen. Next, let me tell you about the living room. The living room is very cozy. It's the place where my family relaxes after a long day. We have a big sofa, 2 armchairs, and a coffee table. There is a television on the wall, and we watch movies together on weekends. I also have some plants in the living room, and they make the space feel fresh and green. The walls are painted yellow, which makes the room look warm and sunny. In the winter, I like to sit on the sofa with a blanket, drink tea, and read a book. My children like to play board games in the living room. We spend a lot of time together there. Now, I'll tell you about my bedroom. It's a small room, but it's very peaceful. I sleep here, of course, but also I like spending time reading and relaxing. I have a big bed with soft pillows and a warm blanket. There is a small desk where I can work on my computer or write. I don't have many things in my bedroom because I like it to be simple and calm. The walls are light green. And there's a small window next to the bed. I like to look outside at the trees and the birds when I wake up in the morning. My bedroom is the place where I rest and feel calm. It's my favorite room in the house. Finally, I want to talk to you about the bathroom. The bathroom is small, but very functional. It has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. I have a mirror above the sink where I brush my teeth every morning. The walls are white, and there is a small shelf for towels and soap. There is a window in the bathroom too, and I always open it when I take a shower because it makes the room feel fresh. I like to spend a little time in the bathroom in the morning to get ready for the day. It's a quiet and private place. So that's my house. I feel happy here. It's not big, but it's perfect for me and my family. Each room is important to me, and I love spending time in every room. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my home. Now, let's check on your understanding. How many rooms are there in Linda's house? There are 4 rooms in Linda's house. What color are the walls in Linda's kitchen? The walls in Linda's kitchen are light blue. How many armchairs are there in the living room? There are 2 armchairs. What does Linda like to do in her bedroom? In her bedroom, Linda likes to read and relax. Where is the mirror in Linda's bathroom? The mirror is above the sink. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.